Good day, everyone. Lesson today is the beginning of topic 5, lesson number 1. Talk about right two-step equations. Actually, the word equation is a new word for us. So, before we start going deep inside the lesson, I need to make a small comparing between what is the meaning of expression and equation. Actually, expression we studied before, like 5x minus 2, it's an algebraic expression. Yes. So it may contains numbers and variables, may contains only variables, 2x plus 3y, yes, it's an expression, may contains only numbers, 3 plus 2 minus 1, it's an expression, okay? So this is how we can write an expression, okay? But what about the equation? The word equation is coming from equal. So I have two sides. Left-hand side and right-hand side. Always the equation is like balance, okay? Balance should be the left equals right. To make a balance equation, left-hand side should be equal right-hand side. Like what? As a numerical example, we can write 7 plus 1 equal 8. Yes, it's right. So left-hand side equal right-hand side. So this is an equation. This is a true equation. And we can write it with variable 2. How? 2x plus minus 1 equal 5. So I don't need to solve it now, but it's an equation. Actually, to make sure that it's an equation, let's find something. What number should I put instead of x to give me the left hand side equals the right hand side? What multiply 2 minus 1 gives us 5? I think it's 3. If I put x equals 3, so it will be 2 multiply 3 minus 1 equal 5. Yes, it's 6 minus 1 equal 5. Yes, so this equation is true when x equal 3. Okay, so the left hand side equals right hand, but I don't care about the solution now though. This lesson today is how to write this form. So if I found left hand side equal right hand side expression equal expression, okay, that means we have an equation. Okay, this is small brief about how to deal with equation. Okay, let's make a computation about which one is expression and which one is an equation. Okay, so we'll make a small compare of what called expression and what called equation. Okay, we will have two columns here. One of them is expression, other is equation. Okay, I'll give you the question here and you tell me if it's expression or equation. 20 x minus 80 is what? Actually, yes, it's expression because I don't have equal sign. Simple, very simple. Equation have equal sign. Expression doesn't have equal sign. That's it. Okay, what about 20x equal 80? Here it's, yes, an equation because it has the sign of equal. I have left hand side and right hand side which is equal each other. Okay, what about this one? 80 equal 20 plus y It's what? Yes, it's equation because it has two sides. One in the left and one in the right and the equal sign. Okay. 20 multiply y plus 80. Expression or equation? Yeah, sure. It's expression. It doesn't have equal sign. Yes. This is the difference between expression and equation. So the lesson today, how to translate from verbal or word problems into an equation. Without solving it, we don't need to solve it. It has a solution. Yes, next lesson, inshallah, we'll take how to solve it. Okay, but this lesson is talking about how to create the equation from the word problems. Okay, okay. We will move to the book and start with the first example. The first example has amount of balls, baseballs, okay? Okay? The first one is Marley's balls. This first one, I don't know actually how much balls, so I will call it now as an initial value M. We'll call what? The first one, M balls. Consider it M balls. The second, the whole, he give me the total of the balls, which is 159. He already calculated them. And he described it by word. He told me what? He told me Tucker. Tucker, which is the second one, is called Tuckers. Okay, Tuckers has 3 more than twice Marley's. 3 more, twice more. How to write it? 3 more. More means what? The operation. More means plus. So it's 3 plus. Okay. Twice Marley's. Marley's has what? M. What is about twice M? Twice means multiply 2. Twice means what? Multiply 2. So I can write it 3 plus 2 multiply M. I can write it as 3 plus 2M. 3 plus 2M. Yes, so the collection here, I can compare it with Marley's. Okay? Tuckers and Marley's. Tuckers have 3 more than the twice of Marley's. And the total equal what? 159. This is the equation. I already write the equation. Okay? You get the point? Okay, this is an equation because I have a left-hand side, right-hand side, and equal in the middle. Okay, so it's an equation. We convert the word problem to an equation. Let's take another example. The right one, Cole buys a new laptop for $335. He makes a down payment of $50. So down payment, that means he doesn't have the whole money. He doesn't have 335. He has only $50. So he pay it as a down payment. Okay? He pay it as a down payment. Okay. And the rest, what about the rest? He will pay the rest in 6 equal months payment P. I don't know the number each month he should pay what, so I will call it P. So P is amount of money should be paid per month. And I have how many months? It's 6. So P, 6 times, okay? Plus what? The down payment, 50. To pay the whole number, which is 335. How to write it as an equation? 300, the cost is the whole. Equal what? Down payment. Okay. Plus per month. How many months here? I have 6. Yes, so it's 6 times monthly payment, which is, I will write it as B. So cost here 335, down payment 50, and 6 multiply B. So the last form of the equation is 335 equal 50 plus 6B, which is the equation. So as I told you before, the lesson today is to how to write from verbal or written problem into a math or an equation problem. Okay? Next page. Again, another example. A baseball weighs 25.25 ounces. Don't stop here. If you stop here, you can consider that the weight of the ball is 25.25. But continue reading. Less than a bat. Less than a bat. So the bat is greater or not? Yes, bat is greater. So bat. I can call it by words. Bat. Sorry. Bat. This is what I understand from here, or the way of the bat. Actually, the way of the bat. Okay, bat way. Okay, minus 25.25 equal the way of the baseball weight. Okay, because again, let's read it. A baseball weighs 25.75 ounces, less than a bat. So it's less than a bat. So if I take the amount of bat or the weight of bat minus this number, it will give me the baseball weight. This is how to read this problem. Okay, I need to write it as an equation. He gave me some information too. Listen, look to this box. This box contains 50 bats. And this box weighs W. To get 1 bat, I need 1 bat. So it's W divided by 50. So bat weight equal W divided 50. Because it has 51 of bats here. Yes, okay? Okay, so the weight of the box divided 50 bats, it will give you the number of the weight of 1 bat. So I can write it as, and he give me also the exact weight of the baseball. So instead of writing the letters here, I will put what I written now. Bat weight, which is W over 50 minus 25.75 equals what? The baseball weight, which is 5.25. This is the equation. This is the last form of the equation. Okay? Hope you understand it. Okay? The next question. So, to apply what we understand, we have to solve the next question. Marika and Tamara are running a race, okay? Marika has run 4 kilometers. Marika runs what? 4 kilometers. Tamara has complete 3/4 of the race, okay? And is the 3/4 of the race equal 2.5, okay? Equal what? 2.5 kilometers ahead of Marika. Write an equation to represent the relation between the distance each girl run, let K represent the total length of the race. K is the total length of the race, okay? K is the total length of the race. And I found that the difference between what Marika ran 4 kilometers and Tamara runs 3/4 of the whole race, 3/4, so it's 3/4K. Okay, so they are complete this, and is 2.5 kilometers ahead of Marika. Tamara has completed 3/4 of the race, and which is what? 2.5. So the last answer should be 2.5. So Marika 4 kilometers. We will make the difference between her and Tamara. Tamara ran 3/4 K of the whole race, and the answer is 2.5. Okay, this is how to represent it as an equation. Okay, another example. Example number 3. Claire bought a ticket for the total cost 104. So the total cost 104. I think I will write 104 in one side, left hand side or right hand side. It's okay. You can write it in anyway. She had used a coupon code to get 3 off each ticket. 3 off. So I will take off from each ticket 3. I will take from each ticket 3. It means 3 off. So it's minus. It's minus. Let X be the original cost of the ticket. Okay. After she used the coupon, the cost of the ticket will be what? The original cost is X. Okay. Then we will take off 3. So it's minus 3. So the price of the ticket now, how? X minus 3. This is price of one ticket. Okay? Okay. So, let X be the original cost of the ticket. Which of the following equation correctly represents the situation? So, which one represents the situation? She will get 8 tickets. 8 tickets. One ticket with 8x minus 4. 8 tickets. Each ticket with X after she used the coupon will cost X minus 3. So it's 8 multiply X minus 3. Equal what? The cost, the whole cost is 104. Which one here? No, this is wrong. Because he mean here I take 8 from each ticket. No, I didn't take 8, I take 3. Here, he 8 tickets. From the whole 8 tickets, I will take 3. No, I will take from each ticket. So the last one is right. Because I take from each ticket 3, then multiply it with 8, will give me the last answer. Okay? Okay. The right one. At the mall, Claire buys a hat that is 60% off. So it's minus. Off, we will take off. Okay? And socks that are reduced to 5.49. She spent the total of 9.4 total. So he tells us that's the total. So I think this total will be in the left hand side or right hand side. Okay? So I must find the total. Actually, I solved the problem. Where is the total here? The total is here. In one side. So this is the right. This is the right answer. Yes. He told me the total. At last, she will pay this number. So this number will be in the left-hand side or in the right-hand side. So this is the one. But we will continue. reading. Let x represent the cost of the hat. So hat is x. The cost of the hat. Which of the following equation correctly represent Claire's shopping trip? We already choose. So she buy a hat with 60 off, so minus 60% of the what? Of the whole, which is equal what? 40% of the whole. And the whole is what? Is x. So it's 40% of x. Means 0.4 multiply x. It's only 0.4 of x. Plus, she will buy again socks, okay, with 5.4. So it's plus. So this is right. This equation is right. Okay, this is how to read examples or read word problem and convert it to an equation. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time. Bye.